doing plugging these right here, both of them. Those are diverter valves. So you can just go to Lowe's or Home Depot, get this one. See, rubber leg tips, 7/8. You can get a 1-inch, but I got 7/8. It works. You'll need 2 of these, and then you get 2 extra. So I'm gonna take that hose that goes from the diverter valve all the way to the inlet, and then you're gonna just plug this in with the cap. It's kind of hard to use one hand as it's moving. Okay, as you can see, you just push it in, and there you go. Now we'll do this one. Okay, now you just put a clamp on it. So I'm gonna go get clamps, put them on, and then I'll get back to you guys, since it's a lot easier to use both hands than one. Okay, all done. As you can see, you don't have to tighten up really hard because it's unnecessary. It's just a cap, and there's one there. For the filter cowl, what I did was I cut it. There's like a line, as you can see. It's kind of hard to see right here. Well, I followed that line all the way and then went to the other side. Right here there's a clip, not a clip, but it actually goes in and it holds it so it doesn't move up and down. So either you can cut it off, or I left it on. And as you can see, it goes all the way up there. What I was gonna show you, you can either follow all the way and cut all this stuff. I didn't. I left for the sensor over here, and that's pretty much it. Okay, I'm taking you guys for a ride so you can hear. It's a little bit cold, so yeah, don't mind the check engine light. I was changing the downpipe, so one of the O2 sensors, I don't know if it was bad or I damaged it, but I placed the order, so they'll be fixed soon. Yeah, so just listen to the sound and see if you like it or not. Here, we'll put in the mode so you can hear it. Obviously in S mode it'll be louder as it's more aggressive shifting. This is the regular. Well, that's it, guys. If you like it, it's pretty simple to do. You just gotta get yourself some filters and those chair caps at Home Depot, Lowe's. They're like $2.50 for 4 of them. Make sure you get 7/8. Well, actually, don't really matter. I mean, you can't go wrong with either of them. So, yeah. All right. Till next time.